What's up, online shoppers? You want to learn how to install this canoe hoist right out of the package? Just hang tight and I'll show you how it's done. Here you can see I have all the parts out of the box. Now this is a ceiling hoist system, so it's ideal for keeping your personal watercrafts up out of the way in the wintertime or when you are not using them. Now the hoist is a pulley system with a safety locking mechanism, which makes it really easy for you to lift and store your equipment. This is rated for 125 pounds. So this should be able to do most of your personal watercraft. Now the installation is relatively easy. You can put it on ceilings up to 12 feet high, and you have to mount it on 2x4s. Right now we're just pre-drilling the holes. We used a 1/2-inch drill bit to pre-drill the holes for the bolts. See how nice and smooth that is? Really easy. Use a socket to get those bolts nice and tight. You can see I have one of the pulley systems attached already right there. Give you a little bit of a 360-degree view. You see that we've put a brace in between the joists. It's a nice little piece of 2x4, and that I have connected the pulley system to the 2x4 with the bolts that they included in with the kit. Right now we're just threading the rope through the pulley system. Sometimes it helps to use something like an Allen key to push it through because the rope is pretty soft. The other thing that you can do to make sure that the rope doesn't slide out the other end once you've had it fed is add a nice simple knot like you just saw my son doing, and that way your rope is secure and it's not going to slide out on you. Here you see the pulley and it's right attached to the rope here. You fed it through, and this is how we're going to hook the canoe on, just like that. There you can see the pulley system is all set up. Now you'll notice that in the package you have, it comes with a black rope, but I ended up needing to have some extra rope. So I added in that yellow rope to complete the pulley system. Here it is in action right there with my canoe. Yes, that's snow. I needed to get this in order so that I could put my canoe up in the rafters for wintertime. Welcome to life in Northern Ontario. I'm just gonna shift my position here, and my son's gonna lift the canoe up for me so I can video it. Look at that, very little effort to bring it up, just like that. Robbie, how much does that canoe weigh?
50 pounds.
Weighs about 50 pounds, and that pulley system puts it up nice and easy right into the rafters and out of the way for the winter time. Now we can take our garage back, and look at how nice and easy that is. Hangs level, and all you have to do is tie it off on the wall there with a good sturdy knot, and it's also pretty easy to take down afterwards when you need it. That is a really awesome pulley system. You can use it for canoes, for kayaks, for wakeboards, for paddle boards. Lots of different uses for this. I'm really happy with my purchase. If you are looking for a great pulley system to put your personal watercraft up into the rafters for the winter time, out of the way, where they can stay without getting in the way and without having any risk of damage, this one here is definitely a family favorite at my house.